Welcome! Today we're making a delicious homemade tartar sauce that's the perfect complement to fried fish, seafood, or even as a dip for your favorite snacks. It's quick, easy, and packed with fresh flavors. So, let's get started and create this tasty sauce together. Alright, let's get started on our homemade tartar sauce. First, grab 1 cup of creamy mayonnaise, and to add a bit of tang, we'll mix in 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard and 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. For that signature briny flavor, chop up 2 tablespoons of capers and 2 tablespoons of dill pickles or cornichons. If you like a little extra punch, finely chop 1 small shallot. Don't forget the fresh parsley, 1 tablespoon will do, or you can use dried parsley. For an extra citrus kick, zest a lemon. Season with salt, pepper, and if you like a bit of heat, a pinch of cayenne or a dash of hot sauce. Now that we've got everything ready, let's start mixing these ingredients together. Alright, let's start by prepping our ingredients. First, grab your dill pickles or cornichons and finely chop about 2 tablespoons. Next, chop 2 tablespoons of capers. These will add a nice briny flavor. If you're using a shallot, finely dice 1 small shallot for an extra depth of taste. Now zest 1 lemon before juicing it. Trust me, that zest makes a difference. Finally, chop about a tablespoon of fresh parsley. Once everything is prepped, we're ready to mix. Now, let's bring the creamy goodness together. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, add 1 cup of mayonnaise. This is the rich, creamy base of our tartar sauce. Next, add 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. This will give it a little kick and help balance the flavors. Now pour in 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. This adds a bright acidity that makes everything pop. Give it a quick stir to combine everything smoothly before we add our chopped ingredients. Time to bring in all those chopped goodies. Toss in the finely chopped pickles, capers, and shallots if using. Then sprinkle in the fresh parsley and a teaspoon of lemon zest for extra zing. If you like a bit of spice, this is the moment to add a pinch of cayenne or a dash of hot sauce. Now mix everything together gently until all the ingredients are well combined. You'll start to see that perfect tartar sauce texture forming. Now, let's taste and fine-tune. Add a little salt and black pepper to your liking, then stir again. If you want it tangier, add a bit more lemon juice. If it's too thick for your preference, you can loosen it up with a teaspoon of water or more lemon juice. This is the moment to make it exactly how you love it, so keep tweaking until it tastes just right. Final step, let it rest. Cover your tartar sauce and place it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. This helps all the flavors meld together beautifully. Once it's chilled, give it a final stir and serve it with fried fish, seafood, or even as a dip for fries or veggies. And there you have it, delicious homemade tartar sauce, ready to enjoy. Lastly, here are a few tips to make sure your tartar sauce turns out perfect every time. Use good quality mayonnaise. It really makes a difference in flavor. If you're after a lighter version, you can substitute with low-fat mayo, but keep in mind that the texture might change slightly. For extra tang, fresh lemon juice is key. Try to avoid bottled lemon juice, as it doesn't have the same fresh zing. If you're after a smoother texture, feel free to thin the sauce with a little bit of water or extra lemon juice if it's too thick for your liking. If you want a more intense flavor, let the sauce chill in the fridge for at least 30 minutes before serving. This resting time allows all the ingredients to meld together, giving you a richer, more flavorful sauce. And if you're making it ahead of time, it keeps really well for a couple of days in the fridge, so it's great for meal prep. For customization, you can add a touch of sweetness if you like, by mixing in a little bit of sugar or honey. Another great idea is adding fresh dill if you want that classic dill pickle flavor, or even a dash of hot sauce for some heat. So experiment and make it your own. And enjoy your homemade tartar sauce.